Today is Monday, October 2nd, and we have a lot to do.
Whew, f me. Fuck it.
Vlog 6.
Come and look at this trim. I could see it in the sun as soon as it pulled in.
So Tesla, I think they made a very good move by switching out from the chrome trim to this satin black trim. It looks way better, but there are some issues, and this is one of the common issues that we see is that it starts to stain a little bit, and this can be from car washes or touch-free washes using different chemicals, and it just builds up. So it actually doesn't ruin it. You can actually, fix it by using a special product to remove the built-up contaminants on there, and that's what we did with this one.
With the Dr. Beasley's matte paint cleanser. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and wipe it clean. Take a look at that. And then we're gonna protect it with a specialized coating like this C4 Permanent Trim Restore. It's gonna deepen the trim, make it look better, and it's going to protect it and keep it from happening again.
We're still working on the full car Flexi Shield AMG SL55. We got the Cayenne Turbo GT that we should be getting PPF finished and then over to detail to do a coating. We're finishing a chrome delete on the Escalade. We got an X4 that we're doing paint correction and a coating on. We're waiting on the Lamborghini Aventador Liberty Walk. Waiting on AMS's Nissan Z for full car vinyl. Should be here soon. It's AMS Performance's Halo Nissan Z. I believe it's the quickest in the quarter mile. New Z. Full car vinyl, we're going from that like proto yellow, that release color, to satin black. Then maybe like a banner. And then we had a couple cars drop off for littler stuff, like a front bumper PPF. And by the way, Jason's Traverse is here to get his old windshield tint and vinyl roof removed.
The Traverse is my wife's car, so we actually, when we first got it 5 years ago, we did the window tint, we did some vinyl, we did ceramic coating and everything, but I haven't done much since to it. And the windshield was actually starting to distort a little bit in the corner just from the heat, I guess, and maybe it's the adhesive. It was really odd. I've never seen it before, but my wife was having a hard time driving. It looked blurry, and so we have to pull it off and replace it. And luckily, it's a lifetime warranty, so we didn't have to charge the customer.
See the door? It's coated. That was the purest coating that we did almost a year ago. It's looking good. That's awesome. You can see compared to that door. And you can see here is nothing. Flat, flat, flat. I believe it was the P5 coating, and then this was the spray coating. I mean, it still kind of looks there, but better than the back there. Nice. I'm gonna try to bribe the window tinters to remove the vinyl on top. It's pretty faded and needs to be removed.
So Jose was gonna do the windshield tint, and actually I had some evil intentions because I knew we had to remove that vinyl too, so I slipped Jose a 20 and said, hey, thank you, man, I appreciate it. And by the way, would you help me get the vinyl off the roof? Because I knew it was gonna be a pain in the butt.
Nice, crisp $1 bill. So I started peeling it off a little bit, but like, can you sit in there and see the distortion on the left-hand side? Like right up here. You see it, how it's distorted?
It looks like orange peel.
It's the whole thing, yeah. I want to do the front windshield and then the back here. It's got a bunch of, like we've chipped it and stuff, 20%.
20%.
And then, and I know you're gonna do a good job too. No, take it. I won't. I need one more thing done. Come here and look at this. Come here and look at this.
When Jason handed me the $20 bill, I knew something was up.
I don't know if you have time or if you want to, but I think it'll peel up pretty easy.
This is why you don't wait 5 years. Well, maybe if you have time, just see how easy it peels up. Well, I'll help you peel it. I'll help you peel it. Still looks really good though. Got a couple chips here. I might touch those up. Not bad for 80,000 miles. Not bad.
The reason why Jason told me to redo the windshield is because for some reason there was like glue was like coming off, or like, I don't know, it was weird. It was just like not sticking anymore due to it being put on there for years. Replace it, or you think he's gonna send it?
I think he'll send it. Yeah, send it.
I should give him the 20 that he gave me back. I think he needs more than
We're doing satin black on all the yellow, but we're gonna leave the gloss black.
On the top?
Kind of offset it. It's gonna look sick. Cool. We'll see. We're gonna play with it. We're gonna have it like a week. So we're gonna be playing around with it.
Hell yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Sweet.
Exactly.
All right.
Bingo. Have a good one, guys. Appreciate it. Hello.
Hello!
Apparently, it's the fastest in the world.
Let me test it out.
Okay.
I'll tell you if it's a fast. What are we doing to it?
Satin black vinyl.
Why though? This yellow's pretty damn cool.
It's not on brand.
Some Terpskis. Does it sound nice?
I don't know. Haven't started
Can
yet.
I pull it in the garage?
Sure you can.
Oh, fuck me! Ah, I hate it.
Yep. Modified.
So we are working on the Porsche Cayenne. I'm doing the front bumper. It's almost done. We just have to check some trim pieces, make sure everything looks right, and send it to the detailers. They're gonna make it look right, make it shiny, then it's gonna be ready for the customer.
So the Porsche Cayenne got finished, full car got PPF, sent it to us to coat it. We put a layer of halo, we put G1 on the windows, and yeah, the customer needed it that day, so we finished it really quickly and got it to the customer. It looked really good.
So once we're done with Porsche, me and Andy, we're gonna jump on the Hummer EV. We're gonna start on it. It's a front clip. It's the first time installing that truck, so we have to figure out how the kit works for that truck, and we're just gonna go forward with it.
You didn't even have to look at the cameras. As soon as he came near us, you could hear that thing coming. It's loud as shit. Oh, YouTube. It's loud as shoot.
The Lamborghini just came in. Crazy car. No one in the shop's really seen a car like that. You see a car like that come in and everyone just goes straight to it. It was a cool car and something you don't see every day.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one, man. It's a sweet car.
Thank you. This is a Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, more specifically the GT Evo wide body kit from Liberty Walk. Like I said, there's only 20 in the world, and this is the second one in the entire country. So
You're an actual guy.
You are damn good at that.
Was that good?
That was damn good.
All right, bless.
2014.
14. Come on, Dan.
Come on, man. I just found the year like
Roadsters
20
in
minutes
2012?
ago. I know. I just.
I thought you were a car guy.
I am.
This is why you don't wait 5 years.
I don't know what happened. He got busy, he was doing something else, and I ended up removing most of the roof myself anyways.
Is he gone?
Yeah.
every day for 5 years, just getting beat from the sun. So
I finished my way out of it. No, I'm just kidding. The Lambo came in, he had us remove the front windshield and the small front 2 pockets. I think the reason why he removed it was the car's low, and honestly, you couldn't really see. It was like 20% or something like that when I gauged it. And yeah, I wouldn't want to risk hitting anything either. I'm keeping those 20 bucks.
What the?
Yeah, with the Lamborghini, the owner complained about not being able to see, so upon him dropping off the vehicle, we seen how dark the windshield tint was. And it was probably 20 or 30% on the windshield, the whole windshield, so it makes sense they wouldn't be able to see. So we just removed the tint and left it clear. Made it a little easier for him to drive it around.
The seal's tight with the door panel, so we will remove the door panel on this one, even though it's frameless, but we'll still remove it. But it is a little harder. It's a little trickier. You're gonna have patience. Done. Get it out of here.
This is my fault. You're not supposed to leave vinyl on for more than a couple years because there can be problems with it, you know? So it's not made to be on a vehicle for a long period of time. It's a temporary film, and it was overdue. So I pulled it off, and it was a little hard to pull off just because it was all dried out, so it kind of flakes and everything. It ended up being okay.
Jason has been trying to remove the roof wrap on his Traverse. Maybe he should come over to my class so we could learn how to do it properly.
If not, then fuck it. So let's remove the PPF off this hood. If you haven't taken PPF off a hood and you want to try it, but it's a pain in the ass. Here's the easiest way, in my opinion, on how to remove this. We're gonna cut a 1/8 strip all the way around this hood. And I already did some of it, but since I got a whole film crew here, I was like, let's just record the whole thing. All right, so we're gonna go all the way around the hood. 1/8 cut all the way around it. The next step is have a fresh blade. And you're gonna carefully score the film. I like doing 6 to 10 inch long strips. Being very careful not to cut the hood. You don't wanna go through the film. You just wanna score the film. And this is gonna make it way easier to remove this. Because if you're trying to remove the whole sheet in one piece, you're gonna struggle. You're gonna lose some skin. You're gonna lose these little hairs. You're gonna lose a lot, and you're probably gonna hate your life, and you're probably not gonna come into work the next day. So, doing it this way is a lot easier. We're gonna grab our heat gun. We're gonna start to heat up our film. And we're just gonna take our time, do it slow. Our main focus here is warming up the film and not the body panels. So I'm gonna heat up where I'm gonna pull. And I find this way easier. It comes off like butter. And this is more butter. Yeah, there we go. Just take your time, do it slow. There's no need to rush. The main thing here is, let's do it right.
I just removed the PPF off of the Tesla. A lot of people don't realize it, but we're putting a lot of PPF on the car. Someone has to take it off the car, and that's gonna be me. If you wanna check out a full video on how to remove PPF, you should check the description or go to our CSW page. I have a full video on there.
How did that happen? That's not even our towel. I don't even be responsible for that. That's sick.
How did that get in there?
Who put that in there?
How's it going with the vinyl, Ryan? It goes. Besides this part, what else do you need to do for the car? Is it complete for the most part?
Part that ain't wrapped. Come on, man. I have questions.
Update on the BMW. We're just finishing the coating on the windows and door jambs. We're about to take off the whole wheel for coating. We're gonna get the barrel, the caliper, the face of the rim, and then after we're gonna go in the clean room and put on Ultra and Exo. That's a no-no, people. Come get your wheels coated.
And we're done.
Get out of here.
Feels back in your element. Just relax, man. Just relax. Hey, just relax, all right?
I'm not gonna be responsible for this.
Oh, my knee hurts.
Yeah, they don't make them like they used to.
This would have taken me at least 3 hours by myself.
That's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you come back, subscribe. A lot more content for you guys.
It's definitely one of the coolest cars that we've had in the shop in a minute. The whole front clip has been a hand-cut, custom job.